Hi, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi A1 S-Line Sportback. This vehicle comes finished in the colour Mythos Black. It features the 1 litre TFSI petrol engine, which produces 116 PS, paired with the 6-speed manual gearbox. It's a very nippy yet efficient vehicle. It also looks extremely stylish. It sits very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 335 litres of space. This can be increased to 1090 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous part leather interior, featuring Isofix points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. The interior has a very premium yet sporty feel. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right you have controls to adjust the infotainment system. On your virtual cockpit you've got a wide selection of information available to you, including your consumption, trip computer, and even your audio and telephone menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. It provides you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music in the media section. Here you've got USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. There's even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, so you can access applications like navigation and music streaming services directly on the touchscreen. In your car menu you have the Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes that change the vehicle's performance and handling. There's also great driver assist features like Audi Pre and lane departure warning to keep you safe and secure while on the go. This A1 also has rear parking sensors, which makes parking much easier. Below your touchscreen you'll find your air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. Below you have 2 USB-C points and a 12-volt socket. Moving to the center console you'll find your 6-speed manual gear selector along with your handbrake. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Audi A1 S-Line Sportback finished in Mythos Black. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'll be more than happy to help with your inquiry.